let's take some calls from the request line. Caller number 1.
Hey, man, what's up? This is Dominique from Shady Nose Trailer Park.
What's up, Dominique?
I want to hear that song from Lil Jon and Petey Pablo.
Alright, I got that coming right up for you. Now, shout out to the radio station that gave you what you wanted.
W Boom Boom B, baby.
What you doing, brother? What you doing, brother? Baby, break it down like that. What you doing, brother? What you doing, brother?
24, 34, 46, good and thick, and what you get, she'll work for. Pretty face and some cute lips, earring in the tongue, and she know what to do, make a name for herself, and she do her shit well, and know how to keep a bitch and keep herself. Come over anytime, nigga, call chick, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and she right there, and she know why she came here, and she know where her clothes supposed to be. Sniff a little coke, take a little X, smoke a little weed, drink a little bit. I need a girl I can freak with, the way to try shit, and ain't scared of a big dick. Love to get a pussy lick by another bitch, cause I ain't drunk enough to do that. Shamika, Keisha, Tara, Shayla, Sabrina, Crystal, Miranda, Lisa, Felicia, Tanisha, Siobhan, Rika, Monique, Christina, Yolanda. I need to know a whole lot and can teach me wrong. Need a ding dong, take a tongue and take her the ball. Hold on, easy on, had to do that for. I'm spoiled.
And now I like to work that hard.
I like to lay back, relax, and enjoy my time. With my eyes roll back and my toes curl.
When you do that, girl.
Till it come time for me to have to give her hers. Tell me what you want. Do you want a missionary with your feet crammed to the headband? Do you want it from the back with your face in the pillow so you can yell as loud as you want to? On the floor, do you want it on the chair? Do you want it over here? Do you want it over there? Do you want it in your pussy? Do you want it in your ass? Anything you can handle.